All right, man. We're gonna record this real quick. Today is. Let me check. Today is May 21st, 2009, and this podcast, video cast, or whatever you want to type of cast, call it, or however you want to frame it, willy it, stop it, or do whatever you want to do with it. This here is directed at K.E. the Fraud Brown. K.E. the Fraud. I'm about to watch this Lakers Denver Nuggets game, but I'm making this podcast to let K.E. the Fraud Brown know that he say he put 1,000, 1,200, 1,500 miles on his bike since riding season started. I put 1,000 miles on my bike this week. Come on, man. And the miles he talking about include the Philly ride we went on, which is like 300 miles right there. Now, I'm trying to figure out why this guy is talking out the side of his neck when he hasn't done any riding yet. He's been on inactive status for 3 years, and he's yapping off at the mouth, running off at the jibber jabber. Come on, man. It's time to put this dude in his place, man. In his place. Rookie, get with it.